Hello, welcome back. So if you're just joining us in this video, just so you know, this is a rundown of our new application called MDPM. As you can see, today in this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can use our service for free. Imagine that. That is so absolutely cool. So just so you know, we are giving out our application for you to test it, for you to use it. I think it makes big sense for you to get to have a feel of how flexible, how useful this application is. So I am just going to show you the steps that you need to take. So as you can see from your left hand part now, the steps for you to take will be from 1 up to 10 really. So the first bit, as you can see from the steps that you need to take, step 1, you go to the menu above. I'm going to show you what to do, how to go to the menu above. Then you click on services. Number 2, then you read the steps in the services. Number 3, you go to menu above shop. Then from the shop part, you now need to use your coupon, and the coupon, has a value of £4.77. Where's the coupon code? This is the coupon code on number 5. Then copy the coupon code is number 6. Number 7, use the coupon code to purchase a particular service you want. With the cap will be the value of the coupon. You need to be registered user before you can buy any product. That is number 8. Number 9, you can register and buy the product in same go, or you register as a user first, then purchase the product. That is number 9. Then finally, number 10, once you are finished buying your preferred product, go to services menu and click on use service. It will take you to the product you used to use the period you have been authorized to use the service. All right, just a little tweak there. So where is our application? This is it on the right bottom here. As you can see, this is the application here. What these different steps kind of was taking you through. This is the service bit it talked about, and also this is the shop bit it talked about. And below it is the service. After you followed all the steps, you can now see our service, if you remember, from environment all the way to settings. So how can we get the service now? In the next screen, as you can see, this is a run through once more how we can get the service. And this is the service menu. I am going to go there in a bit. And in the service menu, you will also see the steps I just talked about, 1 up till 8. Yes, I can see. I think I have more on the left hand corner, but 1 till 8 will be good enough for you to do it. All right, now let's have a look how we can go there. So in doing this, I'm just going to put this aside while I bring up my menu there. Let's see, how can we get this? So I need to bring out my browser. I'm just going to end this first and move it. Yeah, I can get my browser here. So I'm just going to do it this way to get my browser. I think this is the best way to get it now. I'm just going to open a brand new browser. As you can see, the browser is coming up. So this is the browser. I'll put this one side by side so we can know what to do, so we can kind of follow up on what to do. So first step, you need to go to our website, and our website is easy to get to. All you just need to do is to go to as you can see, can I make it bigger? Let's see if we can make it bigger so you can see it. Oh no, so our website is erp.2h2.co.uk. I say it again, erp.2h2.co.uk. Let me just bring it out. So I think it would be better this way. So you know what I'm doing. Let's see, do I have one out? So the first bit before you can start following the step, you need to go to this website. I'm making this big. Fine. So I hope that was big enough. I think that's the highest I can get it to. Oh, I can do more. All right, good. So all you need to go to is this website. It depends on how you're going. You can type https column / erp.2h2.co.uk, or you can just go to www.erp.2h2.co.uk without the slash. I copied this now, I put it in the browser, a new tab, and enter. It will still take you to our website. All right, so that's done, that's out of the way. Now once you are here, we'll start following the steps. As you can see, the first step on my right hand bit, let me make it also bigger. The first step is telling us to go to services. Just bear with me, let me have this thing going on here. All right, good. The first step is telling me I need to go to services menu. On the menu area, I'm just going to color that out so we can be going step by step. No, that's not good. I'm going to make it bigger and kind of like, it's kind of let's do it this way. I think this works. All right, so side by side, yeah, this is big enough. I hope you can see it. So I'm just going to call it green as we move along. So it's telling us step one, we need to go to menu above called services. This is the website. We go to services, right? That's step one. As you can see, what can you see in step one? You can see there's different tabs here: paid services, free services, trial. On paid services, you can see sub menus, hourly. You can get it hourly, daily, or monthly. Now, where do we go to next? It's telling us go to menu called shop. I'm going to color that out now. Step two, I go to shop. And in shop, you can see there's a whole lot going on here. You just need to look for the right product that you want. How do you know the right product you want? If you look at this, step 3 is telling you select product you want. You have a coupon voucher worth £4.77 free to use with the below code. So I'm going to color this out now. So what you need to do is to look for a coupon. I can see there's £4.77. We can buy this. This is 1 day. Or you can buy the one of 1 hour. As you can see, this is 1 hour. Can I highlight that here? This is 1 hour. Or this one is higher than your coupon, so you can buy this. This is for a month. So we can buy a day or 0.44 for 1 hour, just for what you want to do. So I'm going to pick for today the 0.45p to buy. All right, I'm going to click on add to cart, and it's doing its thing. Let's see what it will do when it's finished. I can click add to cart, or you click on it. Really, let it finish doing its thing. I would have clicked on it to see the product. Let's see. I can click on it now. Let's see. So this is what I've chosen. I've clicked on it now. It's doing its thing now. It's trying to open this particular product. Yeah, all right. So as you can see, this is the product we want to buy. This is the same product. What is only limiting us is for us to use our service for just 1 hour. You can go through the product on the left hand side to see what you are getting. Let me bring in a pop-up. Yes. So you can slide. This is the interface. As you can see, you can move along. This is really how what it can do live in operations, tested and trusted. So this is the product. This is just a slideshow of the different offers, different tabs, and different functions and features that it can handle, as you can see. All right, so just sliding through. Once it gets to the end, we'll carry on with what we're doing. All right, that's all. So now we know is this product we want. You can just click on add to cart. Go up, as you can see, it's already in cart. So let's just go to cart to be sure. It brings up this pop menu, view cart or checkout. We can view the cart. Yeah, let's view the cart. And this is your cart. Let me make it bigger so you can see. As you can see, um, it is the MS Dynamics 365 Database Multi Environment Pro Manager, 1 hour. Cost is 0.45, quantity is 1, subtotal 0.45. Now the next bit, subtotal is there, total value is also the same. What do we do next? You go here to the steps. This the step 4 is this is the coupon code to use. We copy this coupon code. Just gonna copy it now. I've copied it. That will finish step 4. Just gonna green it out. Then step 5. Then copy the coupon code above, which I've done. Step 6. Use it to purchase the product. Wonderful. Just gonna copy this out. Green. I'm just gonna make it green. Green. Yes. So use it to purchase the product you wish. So this is the product we wish to purchase. I've copied the coupon. I put it here now. All I need to do is to click on apply. As you can see, the total value is 0.45. Because you have free coupon to use the product free, you need to put the coupon here and click apply. Click apply. It starts checking it if it's free or not. Let's see what it has done. Okay, oh my, I'm seeing users limit has been reached for this coupon. I do not think that is correct. I'm just going to double check this coupon and come back. So I'm going to stop this video now, and the next video I'm going to double check the coupon I'm using to ensure that it's accurately and perfect to use. Thank you.